Okay, so you just printed your single print hand drill and you still have the support material on it. You'll have to remove all this support material. The easiest way to do that is just to use a flathead screwdriver and just start removing it. Always when you're removing support, wear safety glasses, just because these parts the support can break off and find parts. And then it's going to take a little while to remove all the support. But it will come off depending on your settings. You may want to use some sandpaper or file after you've removed all the support you can get off with a screwdriver. And sand it down. But I'm just demonstrating how you can remove the support with just a screwdriver. Now there is support inside here, and the reason being is because you wanted this to be able to rotate, so the inside needed to have support from the bed touching so that this could be printed and not touching this. So you can use a screwdriver again to pry this support out. And then it should be able to rotate. Again, I would use sandpaper or file to remove any excess bits that you can't get with a screwdriver. And we'll continue down here. Be too difficult, but it's just more of a time consuming aspect. Time consuming aspect of this. And once you've removed all the large support, you should be able to grab this and rotate it. As you can see, this can rotate and this can rotate. You'll want to take a screwdriver and you'll want to remove all the support inside here. And this will get rid of that sound that you're hearing when I turn it. And again, this can take a little while to do. So once you remove all the support out of there, you should be able to rotate it pretty easily. And and then this should be able to rotate. You can see how it's going to work now. It's an old-fashioned hand drill. Single print.